Hi, I am Sahil. I am the developer of MeetCode. So the problem that MeetCode is trying to solve is manual compliance checks, which slows down the projects, and these errors can lead to reworks, approval delays, and cost overruns. So MeetCode acts as a spell check for building codes. Talking about the market potential of MeetCode, a lot of countries have already implemented BIM mandates, and Revit being most used BIM tool in the world is the best way for architects to use MeetCode. All right, now let me show you a working prototype of MeetCode. Let me switch off to Revit. All right, so this is the MeetCode dashboard right here, and as you can see, there is a drop down to choose the code, and you also have an option to upload your affection plan, and it'll collect values like GFA and setbacks, and it'll configure itself automatically. Or you can go to the configuration tab and you can set the values yourselves. And once you're done with that, you can run the compliance checks. Once you hit run, it's gonna do its magic. And you can see number of rules which passed and number of rules which failed, and it's going to list the values, what is your current value, why it failed, and what is required value to meet to be compliant. So this is the road ahead for MeetCode. Once the working prototype is done, features like uploading affection plans and collecting info from that will be implemented, and then the AI chat feature where users could chat with the local building code and ask questions about it. And then users will be able to highlight which rule is failing, what element is failing, and they could also get suggested fixes from AI and how to solve those issues. And then the complete rule engine will be based on AI for faster scaling, and it could lead to scaling globally, making MeetCode standard for building compliance. So this is the ultimate plan with MeetCode. So it could collect data from users with their consent. Data is like geometry, 3D materials, spatial relations. Something like MeetCode is the best software to do this because everything has a code, and MeetCode would have access to all these data. And these data could be used to train an AI model, which is based on architecture. And this AI model will be the baseline for many APIs, and it could even develop a software where it could help designers to design BIM-enabled models from natural language. So that is the ultimate goal.